Yeah, hi guys. So let's see under the Apex testing. So we have to create a test data for the Apex test. We have to create the test data. So what was the task they given? Okay. Okay. So what we have to do? So we need to create a class. Right, that is the public scope. Okay. So this is the class name. So without okay, test annotation. Okay. So use the public static method. So constantly generate the contacts with the unique first name and iterated. So test 0, test 1, so on. Okay, okay. Right. Okay. So this is the method, and so here method also no need to use at the rate is test. Parameter 1, an integer that controls the number of contacts being generated with the unique first name, such as the test 0 and test 1. Parameter 2, a string contains the common last name of contacts. The return type is the list of contacts. Okay, so let's see, just copy the class name. Copy the class name. Now, go here, file, a new Apex class. Apex class. Done. Right. So public class random contactor factory. Got it. So next what we have to do? So we need to create a method. Right. What was the method name they given? This is the method name. Copy. Now I'm creating a method name. I'm creating a method name. Public static public static list of contact. So generate random contacts. Generate a random contacts. So here we use two parameters. One is the integer, second one is the string. Right. So I'm calling two parameters. Right. The first parameter is what? Integer. Integer. Got it. Integer. Uh, okay. So integer. I'm giving the name as a number of contacts. Number of contacts to generate. To generate. Next, second parameter string first name. String first name. Clear? String first name. Clear? Next, I'm creating a collection, right? A list. The contact, list of contact list equals to new list, new list, contact, new list, contact, right? Next, so what we have to do, right? So we need to generate a loop, right? With a given number from 0 to the number of contacts, right? How many contacts, right? See here, for for integer integer I equals to 0, right? Integer I equals to 0. Next, I less than or equals to, right? Here we are passing that number. Got it? Next, incrementing I plus plus, a simple for loop, a simple for loop. Got a point, right? So now here what we are doing, right? So we are creating a contact. Got it? Contact C equals to new contact. C equals to new contact. Here first name equals to, right, whatever the name you're passing here under the parameters, that first name plus, right. So I want to show the number 1 plus 1 plus 1 comma. Next, last name. For the last name, right, I want to show contact. contact, contact, right? And then after plus 1. Clear? Dynamically we are passing the value. Simple. Got it. Next what we have to do, so we need to add this contact to my list. Got it. So what was the list name? Contact list. Contact list dot add C. That's it. Add C. Now what I'm doing, I'm checking the output. System dot debug. System dot debug C. So what was the values we have in the C? I want to see. Got my point? Right. Next. So how many contacts we created? How many contacts we created? I want to see that one also. Right. System dot debug. System dot debug contacts list dot size. Got it. And then after, so we used one return statement also. Return type is what? The list of contacts. Got it. So now you can come here, return return contact list. That's it. Return contact list. Got my point? Right. So now, so what we created first? What we created first? Right. What's the error? Click on save. We got an error. We got an error. What's that error? 7 errors. A list of contacts for integer. Sorry, not 1 year. Am I right? Okay, no errors. Now, come here. This class is used to generate a list of random contact records for testing purpose. For testing purpose. Got it. So we are not using @is_test. Got it. We are not using @is_test. Got my point. Next, here we have a one method. Got it. See here. Method, this method generates a list of contact records. List of contact records. So here we used parameters. We used parameters. So what was the first parameter? What was the first parameters? Number of contacts to generate. How many number of records do you want to generate? Got it. So number of contact records to create. To create. So what was the second one? That is fname. Fname. Got it. So the the first name to use. Got a point? Next. So here we used one collection, list collection. Create a empty list to store the contact records. Got it? So create an empty list to store the contact records. Store the contact records. Next what we are doing? Right, we are iterating. Got it? So loop from 0 to 0 to the given number. Given number. Got a point? Given number. So next, here we are creating a contact. Here we are creating the contact. It is dynamically first name and last name. Dynamically first name and last name. So how? Create a new contact with the dynamic first name and last name. Dynamic first name and last name. Right. So first name. So how we are getting the first name? How we are getting the first name? Example. So first name, whatever the name you given there, right? For example, you given a Shiva, right? Then Shiva 0, Shiva 1, Shiva 2, Shiva 3, Shiva 4, like that. Got my point? See here. Provided a base name plus index number. Index number. Example. Example. See. Shiva 1. Got it? Shiva 1. Next. Shiva 2. Sorry, it starts from 0, right? So 1, 0 and 1, like that. Got it? 0, 1, 2, 3, like that. It starts from 0, right? Here, 0. Got it? So you are getting the first name like this. Next, last name. Last name. How? The last name? We given the contact. Right? Last name contact plus 1. Got it? So contact, contact plus index number. Contact plus index number. Got it? See here. Contact 0. Contact 0. Contact 1. Got it? So like this you are getting done, right? So next here what we did, right? So we added this record to my collection. Add the contact, add the contact to the list. Add the contact to the list. Next here I used system.debug. Got it? See here. Print the contact, print the contact to debug log. Got it? So basically this will use while we are testing the code. Next, next here the total number of records. Print the total number of records, number of generated records, generated contacts, generated contacts. Next, so next here what is this return statement? Return the full list of contacts. Got it? Full list of contacts. Actually we are not inserted into the database. Clear point? That's it, right? So click on here save. That's it. Click on here save. Right? No need to test. Why? Because we didn't return any as that is test. Anything else? Done. So now you can check the challenge. Let me see. Done. So we successfully created the test data for contacts. Thank you.